Hello, this is Mimi from Mimi Mom and Me. Today we're gonna do a little watercolor picture of a little bouquet of flowers, and then I'll show you what I do with them at the end. So I just get my watercolor markers out. You can get these on Amazon for pretty cheap. I'll put a link below. They're really fun to work with though. So I was watching YouTube videos today and thought I would try it myself to make some little watercolor flowers. So I've been working on them all morning and thought I'd do a little video for you guys. I hope you like it. So here's the colors I'm going to use. Got some water to dip the markers in when you want to give it a watercolor effect. So okay, we're going to start out and I'm going to put 3 or 4 little dots in a circle. Ignore my nails. My grandkids paint my nails every day and they never look like other YouTubers that always have perfect nails and makeup, and nope, that's not my life. So here's my pretty painted nails for my grandkids. So I'm going to make some little dots, and then I'm going to dip my brush in water, and then you just push the color out. And I know it looks faded right now, but it'll get a little bit darker as it dries, and we're going to put more layers on top. So just make 3 or 4 dots, and then dip it in water. Unless it's still pretty watery, then you don't have to. And just push out the color from the dots into a petal shape. This is so simple, it's ridiculous, but they're so pretty in the end. So I'm going to do a purple one. Same thing, just make the dots and then push it out. None of them have to be perfect or look the same. Some can be dark, some can be light. It just adds to the depth of it. So now I'm going to go on top of the first flower now that it dried a little bit, and I'm going to put more dots on there. Dip my brush in water. I think I'll use this darker pink for the top layer. So now I'm going to put the dots and do the same thing. Dip it in water. Or if I want, I think it won't, because I want a little bit darker, and I'm just going to push it out into a petal shape. Now it's starting to look like a flower. Do the same thing over here. So just keep doing layers until you get it how you like it. See how they're starting to look like flowers now? So just keep repeating this until you have all the layers that you want. Till you like how it looks. So now I'm taking a sage green color and just adding little stems. Gonna draw some little leaves on there. If you guys try this, tell me in the comments how it turned out. Or if you have your own craft channel, tell me what it is in the comments below if it'll let you, because I love watching videos of, that's how I learn everything, is watching others, you know, what they do. So I'm going to take some black and I'm going to dot it around the center, make a little circle of dots in the center of each flower. And the flowers are still a little bit wet, so the black's going to run a little tiny bit. See how pretty that looks? Then I'm just going to add a little bit more color to the petals around the edges. Hope you guys are all staying safe out there. I know it's scary times. Hopefully things will turn around this year. I know a lot of us are going crazy sitting at home crafting, trying to find things to do. But it's so fun to be creative like this. So just keep, you know, you can take your brushes and just keep touching up until you get it how you like it. I like this watercolor set because I think it's pretty vibrant. Some of them I've seen are dull, but this is pretty. So once I get done with this, I'm going to show you what I do with my art after I'm done. And here's what it looks like once it's dry and all done. And then here's also some more flowers that I painted using the same technique. So I like to make cards, like cards and gift tags and stuff. So I'm going to cut this one out, and here we go. There's a thinking of you card I made for one of my friends. I was actually talking to her on the phone when I made it. So there's a thinking of you card I made for her. I also scanned it into my computer so that I can upload it on Zazzle and make products on Zazzle. So here's the same picture, and I made a thinking of you card and a happy birthday card. Zazzle is a site you can upload your artwork and photography, and you can make t-shirts and cards and magnets and buttons and all kinds of things. And they make it and ship it, and you get commission. So this is my Zazzle cards. Stop by and check it out, you know, if you want to earn a little bit of extra money with your art. Here's the birthday card I made. It's so fun because you can take the same, you know, your drawing, your same little sketch or painting or whatever, and put it on like several different things, or, you know, make several different things out of it. So if you want to see more tutorials, subscribe, or you can always stop by our website, me at blogspot.com, or my other website is timefortheholidays.net. I hope you guys are staying safe and take care of yourselves out there. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.